I joined Learning People, I think a year and a half ago. I opted in for an 18-month course into IT. I wanted to get into the IT development, the IT field, and I knew I needed to get some qualifications. Did some online research for online courses I can do, and I came across Learning People. And yeah, now the start of my journey, which allowed me to get into an IT role. So I first reached out to Learning People because as I was doing my online research for what companies will provide some IT qualifications, I came across Learning People as one of the first websites I saw, and I got into a call with one of the people that works there, and he basically elaborated what Learning People is, what they provide, and what the services they offer. And after jotting down the key reasons, I realised that Learning People was a way for me to go forward in order for me to achieve my IT qualifications. So my initial career consultation was basically being asked what my goals are, what would I do to achieve those goals. Obviously, taking this course, you really have to be dedicated, making sure that you do the work as no one will tell you to do it. So it's really important to kind of remind yourself to complete said tasks. And yeah, the whole point of the career consultation was where you see yourself in a couple of years and how you would basically achieve those goals. Learning People, they provided a range of different videos to ensure that you're able to pass your exams. What I found really helpful was the practice exams and the topic tests. So once you do go through the videos, you have a little topic test and you have to make sure you achieve 80%. And then with the exam, the practice exam, that was really helpful. It was extremely difficult, but they made it so that if you can pass that, you will definitely pass the real exam. Enrolling with Learning People has been so beneficial for me. As I was saying, I wanted to get into the IT field and I had no doorway to kind of get into the IT field. Whereas with Learning People, providing the resources and I guess the starting kit for me to develop my IT career. It enabled me to get into an IT role as well, being CompTIA A+ certified. It came with the whole package, A+, Network+, Security and Cybersecurity. So it just gave me that foundational certification which a lot of hiring people from the IT field will be interested to look into. And it's just a case of, developing my experience as well on top of that. I'd say the best part of my learning journey was definitely seeing the hard work pay off. Like I said, it was a 18-month course, and throughout the whole 18 months I definitely did have to work hard every day to make sure that I understand the topic, basically revising every day, prioritising that. And now that I've completed all the exams, I can look back at it and say that I am proud of myself for completing these exams, and like I said, it's paid off now. It's allowed me to get into the IT field now and just kickstart my career. I recommend Learning People to people that aren't too sure what career path to go with, and if they're unsure, if they couldn't get into uni for whatever reason, or if they couldn't get into an apprenticeship, I would highly suggest that they look into online courses such as Learning People. For myself, uni wasn't for me, and I started looking into online courses, and like I said, it's probably one of the best decisions I've made. It's enabled me to get the relevant certifications that I want, and like I said, it has let me get into the IT field. Personally, for me, it's been a massive investment. Like I said, it has established my career now. For quite a while, I was very unsure which career path to take. I've taken different routes, and yeah, now that I've got the certifications for IT, it's enabled me to just kind of work on my career and get the relevant experience. So for me, it's 100% definitely worth it.